Who's seeing Pascal's triangle for? You want to give me a run through? How's it start?
1.
Starts with a 1 at the top, correct?
1, 2, 1.
And then underneath we get 1, 2, 1.
1, 3.
And then we get 1, 3, 3, 1. Now stop. No, I'm not going to go with vanilla ice lyrics. Alright, what's happened there? A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. How do I get that?
You expanded the first two.
I expanded my first two brackets, so I expanded my quadratic, because that would be a plus b, What does that equal? A squared plus
2ab
plus b squared. Okay, interesting. So it's kind of like I've got 1, 2, 1. And then if I've got 3 of them, what do I get? 1, 3, 3, 1, correct?
Yeah.
So using Pascal's triangle, I can get my fourth one. So rather than having to do all this great stuff, I need to get a break. So how would I fill up my next row of Pascal's triangle? What's the end one here?
6, 1, 4, 6.
1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So if I had A plus B to the power of 4, I would get A 4 plus 4A3B plus 6A2B2 plus 4AB3 plus B4. So Dan, when I said before it's the shortcut, was I correct?
Hypothetical.
Hypothetically, what do I need to understand before I can do that though? I need to be able to figure out Pascal's triangle, okay? If I forget that, what can I always fall back on? The gross crack clause. However, when we get to this sort of level, it does get pretty gross.
Very.
That's a great idea, Abby. What I'm going to change though, why don't we go through an example where we've got some actual numbers rather than A's and B's. 5, A minus
3.
3, and it's to the power of 3. So, am I going to rub that out or do you want that up for a bit?
Leave it here, please.
Leave it up? Okay. I want to rub out some of these exercises now. 5a minus 3 to the power of 3. Okay? So Pascal's triangle tells me that I could do 5a in brackets to the power of 3 minus 3 times 5a squared times 3, negative 3. Should pass those, shouldn't it? Plus 3 times 5a times negative 3 squared plus negative 3 to the power of 3. Are we happy with that? How did we get that? What is my A value here? 5a. So I've got 5a to the power of 3 plus 3 times 5a squared times my b, which is negative 3, plus 3 times a, or 5a, times negative 3 squared, plus my b value, which is negative 3 cubed. And when you guys were in like grade 9, you hated when we use numbers, when we use letters, and now you can't stand when we use numbers. Why don't we change A? I'm going to change that A to another letter. What do you want to make it? M?
X.
Yeah, X is
Not
10.
doing X's. Why am I changing that? Because I want to show this is my A and this is my B. Have I got A cubed?
Yeah. Yes.
Have I got 3a squared times b?
Yes.
Have I got 3a times b squared?
Yes.
Have I got b cubed?
Yes.
It's exactly the same thing. I've just replaced a and b with 5m and
3.
negative 3. Yes.
So should we run just that base form deal, A, B, and then substitute values in for the test?
That's, you could. You could, yeah. So what's 5 cubed? 125 m cubed plus 3 times 5 squared. What's 5 squared? 25 m squared times negative 3 plus negative 3 squared times 3. I'll do it slowly. 3. I'll do it 1. 15m times 9 plus, or minus, I'll make it plus, plus negative 27, correct? Can I do anything with this? That's all good. So 125 m cubed plus 75 m squared. No, should be, sorry, that's a lie. That is an absolute lie. Should be minus 75 times negative 3, which is 210, 225. Negative 225 m plus 90 plus 45, 135 m minus 27. That's not finalized.